Hey, Joe at Fabspeed Motorsports USA. Really excited to share with the McLaren GT owners what the factory McLaren muffler is like and why all McLaren GTs are so quiet. People have a McLaren GT, great car. Car is really quiet. It's almost neutered. GT means Grand Touring, so it's like a 720S. They dial the power down, but lengthen out so you get more luggage in it. When you go with Fabspeed, as compared to other people in the world, you've got real engineering, real dyno development, and we street and racetrack and Autobahn test our products to give you the best performance, best sports car sound. And to that end, we also do non-destructive and destructive testing to see what the OEM manufacturers did so we can improve upon their designs and also go outside the box to make it better. I got little Harley here with me, my little co-worker. Here's the factory McLaren GT OEM muffler. We did destructive testing like I've done on other videos. You open this up and pull it open, and you can actually see what McLaren did to basically neuter all and remove all sports car sound on this car. The car is like a Dyson vacuum cleaner. You've got these crossover tubes in this Helmholtz resonator. They're tiny, 1.25 inch tubes, 31 millimeters, and 2 little tubes coming out here. And what this accomplishes for McLaren is it sanitizes the sound. And basically you got 2 pipes and they use this device to just get rid of all sports car sound. Previous videos, I showed you our 76 millimeter, 3-inch X pipes. We applied this technology to all McLarens, all Ferrari 488s, F8s, and we've applied it to most of the Porsche twin turbos by using an investment cast X. It gives you that high-pitched sound. You get rid of all resonance. It picks up torque and gives you more of a ripping canvas sound. So I hope you enjoyed this video, but the purpose of it is to show you the dedication, the levels of which Fabspeed and only Fabspeed globally goes to design and engineer and perfect ultimate stainless steel exhaust systems. And in this case, the improved exhaust system on the catback for the McLaren GT.